Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to tell you about iPhone not vibrating on silent mode in iOS 18.1.2. With the latest updates like iOS 18.1.2, many users have reported issues with their iPhones not vibrating in silent mode. The issue is especially troubling for individuals who rely on vibration notifications for message and app alerts without creating a noisy environment. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix this issue. But first, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. In the first step, I'm going to tell you how to check vibration settings. For this, you can start by going to the device settings, scroll down and navigate to sound and haptics. Here you must access the haptic option and make sure that it is on always play mode, and you're done. Once done with the haptic settings, now you need to ensure that the vibration option is enabled in the accessibility settings. You can do so by going to the settings, going to the accessibility option, access the touch option. After that, scroll down to find the vibration option and toggle it on to resolve the problem, and you are done. Now in the next step, I'm going to tell you how to force restart your iPhone. To force restart your device, you need to press the volume up button quickly and do same with the volume down button and hold the power button until the slide to power off option appears. After that, you need to swipe right the slide to power off button on the screen that appears and the phone will restart. And you're done. The next fix is checking the silent or ringer switch. On the side of your phone, indicate the ringer switch. If it is in orange color, you need to toggle it off to get out of the silent mode and solve the vibration error. And you're done. Now for the next fix, I'm going to tell you how to check do not disturb and focus mode settings. For this, you need to go to the control center by swiping from the top right corner of your screen. Navigate to the focus mode and hold it to see different focus mode settings and make sure that do not disturb setting is turned off, and you're done. Now, the next step, I'm going to tell you how to update your phone to the latest version of iOS. For this, go to the settings, go to general, go to software update. If an update is available, then update your phone to the latest version of iOS, and you're done. Now for the next step, I'm going to tell you how to reset all settings. Start the resetting process by going to the settings, to the general option in the settings. Scroll down, tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset all settings. Finally, enter your passcode in the new screen and tap reset all settings from the confirmation pop-up to complete the process. And you're done. I hope this video helped you fixing your iPhone not vibrating on silent mode. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.